surprising sell-off coming in on the benchmark indices, wherein Nifty did breach that 19,300 level, while for the bank Nifty, the selling was quite sharp, especially in the second half of the trading session, where the index managed to close with a cuts of over 500 points. And talking about the breadth of the market, that was extremely weak, because for every one stock that was seen to be gaining on NSE, 10 stocks on the contrary were seen to be declining. Nifty small cap down around 4%, while Nifty mid cap down around 3% in trade right now. And looking at the Nifty 50 gainers, just two stocks that you will spot in there, M&M and Bajaj Finance, were seen to be the counters, seen to be holding themselves in the green. And other than that, 48 stocks were seen to be declining, led by the likes of LTI, Mindtree, Adani Enterprise, Hindalco, JSW Steel, seeing a cuts of over 3% today. So not a great day for all the bulls, because we have seen selling left and right. But talking about some of the counters that seen surprising move as well, and one such stock was BSE, that was seen to be surging after brokerages upgraded their rating as well as target price on this particular counter after the new index on the BSE. That has seen a lot much of traction. And talking about some of the result candidates as well, Credit Access Grameen was holding with the gains of over 7%. And that stock was seen to be gaining. And other than that, stocks like Ipca Lab was also in focus. But talking about pharma, Laurus Lab was down in trade after Q2 FY24 earnings. No brokerage was seen to be positive on that particular stock, and the consensus call was that this time, once again, Laurus Lab has disappointed on the earnings front. But for the upcoming results, Tech Mahindra and Axis Bank are some of the counters that we are watching out for. Osho Krishnan, Senior Research, Technical and Derivative Research at Angel One. 19,300, we couldn't defend that. And talking about the Bank Nifty index knocking the doors of 43,000 now. How do you see the index? Because we are amidst the monthly options expiry as well. For the next 2 days, do you believe that there could be some recovery?
Well, looking at the overall sell-off that we have witnessed in the second half particularly, so that has clearly shown that the sentiments remain very bearish in the market. Because in Nifty first, if we will be seeing the 19,400 zone, it was expected that 19,400 will be tested today. But once it breaches below 19,400, it did not give any chance or any kind of pullback that can be seen in the benchmark index. And from there onwards, it kept on going downwards towards 19,300 and even below that. So as of now, as the major technical levels has been breached, so we are expecting that the only the pit stop for the bears can be seen around 19,250, which has been a very strong support zone historically also once the market has turned around from the same zone. So once 19,250 could be acting just as a pit stop for the bears, but overall looking at the sentiments, we still expect that that is also going to get breached in the coming sessions. So 19,000 is something that we can see in the coming future, because already we have a holiday tomorrow. So we were not expecting that much of bullish bets by the day end, but the way market took on the lower end, we can definitely see a very strong sell-off in the coming period. And particularly if I'll be talking about Bank Nifty, then Bank Nifty was at a very critical zone. 43,600 was the zone that we were expecting that from here onwards, there can be make or break kind of a zone. And as the market has seen a very strong plunge from the zone of 43,500, and currently Bank Nifty is hovering around the zone of 200 SMA. So we are expecting that even the Bank Nifty is also on a very negative terrain as of now, and we can expect the pressure in the coming period as well.